The story of a reused brick. This is a brick, a great circular economy product because it can be reused as it is. Reuse is important because construction causes a considerable amount of global climate emissions. Modern construction relies heavily on the use of virgin materials, yet there is very little planning for reuse. A group of Finnish experts decided to find out how old bricks could be reused in Finland and what the environmental effects would be. Suitable bricks for the test were acquired from the renovation of the Finnish National Theatre. The contractor dismantled the bricks individually from the old wall. Traditionally, bricks have been simply crushed. The bricks were taken for intermediate storage. Some of the bricks were examined to determine their suitability for the new building project. The laboratory tested the bricks' initial rate of water absorption capacity, freeze-thaw durability, and compressive strength. These properties affect the durability and structure of bricks and how they can be laid. Once the results were ready, the bricks were taken to the construction site in Vantaa. They were used to build a warehouse in the yard of the Tikkurila Pavilion School. Reusing the bricks was an eco-friendly deed as it saved natural resources in comparison to the bricks being crushed for other purposes. The reused bricks of the warehouse also reduced the building's carbon footprint. Read more about the project at hsy.fi/en/circuit.